Hi folks, Professor Amachi wanted to get you through T13 Case Problem 4. This is the Word Cloud JS project here. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, cool. So what we got here is T13 Case 4. T13 Case 4 is a word cloud, how to do this in JS. And in this scenario, we have a professor who has taken Lincoln's first inaugural address, public data, and creating a word cloud, meaning the most frequently used words. And the three of them are going to pop up here. And what we're also going to do with these is do a random rotate and do it with these words here. So let's get started. Okay, the two files that you are going to be working with, they would be the WS Lincoln and WS Cloud. We got two style sheets right here. We are going to need a third style sheet because we got 1, 2, and 3 up here. So let's go ahead and link to that. Link CSS, and then it's WS Cloud CSS. So it's that file right there. Also, we are going to need 2 JS files here too. Okay, the first one is going to be WS stop words. Okay, so it's that file, and we're going to do async on that. And second file, it's this one, wscloud.js. That's one we're building out. Okay, go ahead and save that. And I think that's really it here. So what it's going to be doing is we're going to look for an ID of speech. And within speech here, within this particular div, any text that's in here, it will be analyzed. We can do this for anything. We can take even recent presidents or past presidents. We can drop their State of the Union address, public data. We could take inaugural speeches. We could take pretty much anything, and we can analyze it. So in this case, we'll stick with Lincoln's first inaugural address. Let's get a little internal browser preview going here, and then WS Cloud here. What we've done here is we've taken the liberty of adding comments in here and fill in what you need to do in the comments here. So we got our first window add event listener. We got that right in there. So retrieve only the text of the speech. So let's do word content. That's document get element by ID. We'll do speech, and then we'll do text content right there. Okay, cool. So then change all the characters to lowercase characters. Okay, and tell you what, I'm actually going to stop this here, and we'll just fire it up when we need to, because we're not going to really see anything until the end here. So that'll be okay. So change all characters to lowercase characters. So that's our word content. And we're going to do word content here to lowercase. There it is, to lowercase. Okay, remove all punctuation marks from the text. And this is going to be using some regex here. So that's word content. We're going to do word content replace. and it's gonna be into there. So we need to pass a regex into there. And easiest way, folks, I think is gonna be just to look at the README. Okay, use the regular expression and the replace there. So probably just copy that out. And if we really wanted to look at the README, it's right here. So use a regular expression, and that's right here. And pass that into the replace method. Okay, and then this, we want to do global here, right? So that's what that /g is right there. So we're doing that global, and then we're initializing with that. Remove all stop words from the text. So the stop words, those are these right here. So stop words. Okay, so remove all stop words from the text, and as you could probably surmise, that would be a for loop. If there's anything that you learn in this class here is how to set up that structure of your for loop. Okay, I equals 0, stop words length. Okay, so within the loop here, we're going to be doing this. So we're going to do var stop words re regex. That's going to be new regex, and it's going to be this. So we're going to pass something underneath it there. Okay, and what they want here is, yeah, 2 backslashes and whatever the that stop word is. So if it begins right there, and then the stop word, and then close that off there, where stop word is the current stop word in the array. So yeah, we got to parse through a lot in that array. So we're just going to program it and make it easier on us. So that looks like this. Okay, that first part of that text string there. So that's B. Then we're going to do plus stop words and pass that variable in. So that was the I up there, plus, and then we're gonna close off that B there. And then we're gonna make it global. Word content. Word content, we're gonna replace, and we're gonna pass stop words re. Okay, that's our loop right there. Okay, remove all leading and trailing white space characters. So we're going to trim that. So that's your word content. We're going to do word content and trim. Okay, split the text at every occurrence of 1 or more white space characters. So word array, that's word content. We're going to split here, and we're going to pass in this regex. So that was the S there, and then plus the /G for global there. Generate, a 2D array of unique words and their counts. It's going to be unique words, find unique, and we're going to pass in the word array. Sort the array in descending order of count. So that's the unique words, and we're going to sort and pass in their sort by count. Limit the array to the top 100 words. So that's unique words. The length there is 100. And the least used words in the array, 1 through 99. Determine the count of the third most used word in the array. Top 3 count, we're going to declare that. And then that is the unique words. We'll pass in 2 and 1 there. Sort the array in alphabetical order. So we'll do the unique words and sort. Loop through the unique words and format them according to their usage. So that's a for loop. I equals 0. I is less than unique words length. Step through. Okay, cloud word we're going to declare there. And that is document create element. So we want to create an element here of a span. And then the text content here, we're going to use unique words. Okay, passing in that variable. Word size. Word size. Okay, math.min. So that's 6. We'll do 45 times unique words. Pass in the variable there. That's 1, and then we're going to divide that by the minimum count. Okay, cloud word, style, font size. Okay, and we're going to make this word size plus the M. So remember when we're doing the font size, we're making them M's. We'll make them like this. That's cloud word, and we're going to transform style. So it's style transform. Okay, and this one, we're going to do rotate. Okay, and then plus random value. That's going to be negative 30 degrees or positive 30 degrees there. So We'll do that, and then we'll close off the string here. Okay, if unique words I1, if this is greater than or equal to the top 3 count. And actually, let's take a look at that. Yep, typo. So don't do like what I did. So what we're going to also want to do is style this out. We want to be able to color this out a little bit here too. What we're going to do is cloud word, style color. Okay, and that's going to equal there. Let's do an RGB stack. 251, 191, 191. And then let's overuse our text shadow styles. So that's cloud word style and then the text shadow. So 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 5 pixel, and an RGB stack here, 51 across the board. Okay, and after that, you definitely want to write it. So that's document get element by ID. Doing cloud there. And then append child. Cloud word. Okay, and close that up there. Let's go ahead and do save, and that was what, link in HTML. Let's open that up with Chrome. And cool. Yeah, here it is here. So top 3 has that different color. Also check this out too. If you do reload, a new angle is randomly chosen. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Hope that was helpful.